Welcome to the Splendor Hub. Question number 1. Deficiency of loving vitamin decreases hemoglobin production. Option A biotin, option B thiamine, option C niacin, option D pyridoxine, option E none of these. Answer. Deficiency of loving vitamin decreases hemoglobin production is pyridoxine. Question 2. Hygrometer is used for measuring the option A speed of sound, option B density of milk, option C humidity of air, option D specific gravity of liquids, option E none of these. Answer. Hygrometer is used for measuring the humidity of air. Question 3. Bronze is an alloy of option A copper and zinc, option B tin and zinc, option C copper and tin, option D iron and zinc, option E none of these. Answer. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Question 4. Which of the following is most elastic? Option A steel, option B rubber, option C glass, option D sponge, option E none of these. Answer. Which of the following is most elastic is steel. Question 5. Orbital period of the planet Mercury around the Sun is option A 88 days, option B 365 days, option C 2 years, option D 98 days, option E none of these. Answer. Orbital period of the planet Mercury around the Sun is 88 days. Question 6. The most splendid and the most magnificent constellation on the sky is option A Orion, option B Columbia, option C Canis Major, option D Taurus, option E none of these. Answer. Orion is the most splendid and the most significant constellation on the sky. Question 7. Eugenics is the study of option A altering human beings by changing their genetic components, B people of European region, C different races of mankind, D genetic of plants, E none of the. Answer. Eugenics is the study of altering human beings by changing their genetic components. Question 8. The position of Earth in its orbit when it is at its greatest distance from the Sun causing northern summer is called option A aphelion, option B perihelion, option C perigee, option D apogee, option E none of these. Answer. The position of Earth in its orbit when it is at its greatest distance from the Sun causing northern summer is called aphelion. Question 9. Diamond is a very expensive ornament. It is composed of a single element. Option A carbon, option B gold, option C silver, option D platinum, option E none of these. Answer. Carbon. Diamond is a very expensive ornament. It is composed of a single element of carbon. Question 10. Which of the following layers make radio transmission possible? Option A troposphere, option B ionosphere, option C mesosphere, option D stratosphere, option E none of these. Answer. Which of the following layer make radio transmission possible is ionosphere. Question 11. Which of the following explain the reason why there is no total eclipse of the Sun? Option A size of the Earth in relation to that of Moon, option B orbit of Moon around Earth, option C direction of rotation of Earth around Sun, option D area of the Sun covered by the Moon, option A none of these. Answer. The following explain the reason why there is no total eclipse of the Sun is area of the Sun covered by the Moon. Question 12. Television signals are converted into light signals by option A optical fiber, option B transistor, option C decoder, option D photodiode, option E none of these. Answer. Television signals are converted into light signals by photodiode. Question 13. Where do most of asteroids lie? Option A in asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, option B in asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Venus, option C in asteroid belt between the orbits of Jupiter and Venus, option D everywhere in the sky. Answer: in asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, asteroids lies. Question 14. The number of spark plugs needed in a diesel engine is option A 2, B 3, C 0, D 4. Answer: the number of spark plugs needed in a diesel engine is 0. Question 15. The half-life of a radioactive element is 8 days. How long it take to reduce it from 10 mg to 5 mg? Option A 4 days, option B 12 days, option C 16 days, option D 8 days. Answer: the half-life of a radioactive element is 8 days. How long it take to reduce it from 10 mg to 5 mg is 8 days. Question 16. The term blue shift is used to indicate option A Doppler effect, in which an object appears bluer when it is moving toward the observer or observer is moving toward the object. B. Turning a star from white to blue. C. In future sun would become blue. D. Black hole was blue at its start. Answer: the term blue shift is used to indicate Doppler effect, in which an object appears bluer when it is moving towards the observer and observer is moving toward the object. Question 17. Fuel used in a fast breeder reactor is option A uranium oxide, option B uranium plutonium carbide, option C uranium plutonium oxide, D uranium thorium oxide. Answer: fuel is used as a fast breeder reactor is uranium plutonium oxide. Question 18. Monsoon is caused by option A seasonal reversal of winds, option B revolution of earth, option C movement of clouds, option D rise in temperature, option E rainforest. Answer: monsoon is caused by seasonal reversal of winds. Question 19. Which of the following atmospheric layers help in the radio communication? Option A exosphere, option B ionosphere, option C troposphere, option D stratosphere, option E is ozone layer. Answer: the following atmospheric layer help in radio communication is ionosphere. Question 20. A moderator is used in nuclear reactor in order to option A accelerate the neutrons, option B slow down the speed of the neutron, option C increase the number of electrons, option D decrease the number of electrons. Answer: a moderator is used in nuclear reactor in order to slow down the speed of the neutron. Thank you for watching.